Infotainment. Introduction. Infotainment system is a color touch screen with a combination of entertainment, Bluetooth connectivity, car information, adventure statistics, navigation, and various settings. The home screen is the main screen for the user to interact with the infotainment system. It pops up when the home button is pressed. Home screen consists of two screens. By swiping left and right, user can access the option available. Infotainment system facilitates music, videos, pictures from USB, and music from iPod, auxiliary input, mobile, and AM or FM. Bluetooth connectivity facilitates mobile incoming, outgoing calls, and mobile contact transfer. Car information system provides distance to empty, average fuel economy, and other necessary information. Navigation provides route assistance to user both on-screen display and through voice assistance. It also indicates location facilities like points of interest, speed alerts, junction view, and many features. The default basic screen will be the last played source on the current ignition cycle. Infotainment functions can be operated through switches on the infotainment system, voice and steering wheel switches. The power button is located on the center of the volume knob. Long press of more than 2 seconds shall power off the system at any point of time. A short press on this button shall turn on the infotainment system.
Phone. Phone function can be obtained by any of the following mode. By touching the phone tab on display of the home screen. By pressing phone button in the audio fascia. Pairing the phone through discoverable mode. Go to Bluetooth connection setting and select Pair Discoverable option. Click Mahindra in your mobile Bluetooth search list and press Pair button in mobile or infotainment after checking pair code. After few seconds, your mobile is ready to use. Pairing the phone to Add Device mode. Go to Bluetooth connection setting and select Add Device option. When the infotainment starts to search the Bluetooth devices, the search device will be displayed. When users select any device in search list, infotainment will provide device request and on pressing pair button will initiate the pairing process. After few seconds, your mobile is ready to use. Phone book. All contacts from the phone will be synchronized with the infotainment system once mobile phone is paired as phone device. If not, enable the contact sharing option from mobile and press download option in phone book. Contacts can be scrolled up and down using scroll bar. Dialing from phone book. By pressing the contact name, a call button will appear to call the respective person. Call logs. Call logs of a particular mobile device that is paired to the system can be viewed by accessing through the contact option in phone menu. The call logs are categorized as incoming calls, outgoing calls, and missed calls. Dialing from keypad. Press the number that needs to be dialed using the keypad and press the call button in the screen or audio fascia or on the steering wheel switch initiate the call, attending or rejecting the incoming call. On getting an incoming call, screen will display the name of the person calling if that contact is already stored, else displays the number. Call can be answered or rejected by touching the Answer or Reject tab in the screen or by pressing the Call Accept button either in the audio fascia. eCall. eCall notification. If the mobile phone is not paired to the infotainment system after 2 minutes of the ignition on, an eCall notification will be shown to the user for 10 seconds saying, "Please connect your mobile phone to avail eCall feature."
Media. Music. Music can be played in any of the following modes by touching the Media tab on display of the home screen and selecting Music. Also, multiple press of Mode button in steering wheel will toggle between the list of all available music sources and once released will select the desired source. Press the play icon on the display shall pause and mute the current playback. A short touch selects a forward button on screen or up arrow in steering wheel shall skip to next track. A long continuous touch selects a forward button on screen or up arrow in steering wheel shall fast forward the playback of track. A short touch selects a backward button in screen or down arrow in steering wheel takes to the previous track if playing is less than 3 seconds, else it shall play the same track from beginning. A continuous long press of backward button on screen or down arrow in steering wheel shall fast rewind to the desired time of song. User have repeat, shuffle and info option to browse files from any currently playing source. Press list icon during playback from play screen. List of songs, folders, presents in respective media are shown. The display shows the list of songs. Either direct touch selects on desired folder or track or using select button shall initiate the playback and shall keep playing all the tracks present in that particular folder accessed. List can be scrolled up and down using scroll bar. iPod connected to system shall give complete control of iPod. Playing music from Bluetooth. Music from mobile can be played in the infotainment by pairing the phone using Bluetooth connectivity. Paired mobile that supports A2DP, Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, and AVR-CP, Audio Video Remote Control Profile. Bluetooth profiles shall support both wireless streaming of music and playback control that can be performed from infotainment control panel. Playing music through aux. The front aux in the docking station allows user to connect and play from sources like mobile phone, laptop, mini MP3 players, etc. Infotainment system cannot control the playback of auxiliary devices. All control lies with the music playback device. User can only mute the song using radio. Radio can be played in any of the following modes by touching the radio tab on the home screen. By pressing radio button on the audio front fascia, the screen shall display 12 default preset channels with a highlight on current playing station. The desired channel can be played by touching the respective preset channel. Radio screen will be displayed with the current playing frequency and the RDS data if transmitted by the channel in center and band in the left topmost corner. Next available channel can be tuned by press and holding the left or right arrow in the display. Seek can be done through switches in the steering wheel switch. Seek can be done through ruler by dragging the knob left or right. Tune channel can be stored by long press and hold on any of the preset location in the screen for more than 2 seconds. Bands can be changed by pressing the band button in the display screen. On pressing band button, it shall change in the following sequence: FM1, FM2, AM1, AM2. Auto store function. In FM or AM, auto search initiates if auto store button on HMI is pressed. The system stores 12 strong signal stations automatically in few seconds if stations are available. Navigation. GPS navigation. The navigation screen will be displayed by touching the NAV tab if the desired destination is available in the default map screen. Long press to select the destination from the screen. Select and navigate. The various functionalities in the navigation screen are: Navigation to calculates route to selected point and starts guidance mode. Nearby starts the search for the nearest POIs available in particular selected category. Show on map shows the desired location on map. Find nearest POI point of interest starts the search for the nearest POIs available in a particular selected category. From here, set selected point as a start for trip planning. From me to here, sets a route from current location to selected point as a trip. Sets as home, saves the desired location as home. Save to my places, saves desired location as favorite location in my placed category. Adds destination, adds the location as destination. Enter the destination through search icon. If the desired destination is not available in the default map screen, touch search icon, select search or address and enter the address and press OK button to search for the desired location. Guidance screen. Once the address is selected, the guidance screen appears. Select Navigate to option. The route calculation starts and the guidance window appears in the screen, and scroll down for more options. Find POI. To search for the nearest point of interest from the current location, press search icon or select Find Nearby POIs option. This will display POI categories on screen like ATM, gas station, etc. Upon selecting any POI category, system will search and display the list. Select the desired POI from the list. This will show the POI with the distance from the current location. To find the nearest POI from the selected place, touch the place in the map screen. Select Nearby option. My Places. To add the selected place as a My Place, Voice recognition. The voice recognition feature helps user operate certain infotainment features through voice commands. If Android Auto is connected, a short press on the push to talk PTT button will enable the native voice recognition, and a long press on the PTT button will enable the Android Auto voice recognition. When native VR is initiated, the infotainment system will enter VR mode with a pop-up "Please say a command" and also the voice feedback "Please say a command" after the beep followed by a beep. Users can say a command once the beep sound is heard, such as radio, USB. If the voice command is not recognized, then a pop-up will appear on the infotainment screen. Command not recognized. Please repeat. Voice feedback will redirect the user to say the command again. To indicate closing of VR session, the following pop-up will appear. Closing voice recognition session. Drag and drop. This feature enables the user to arrange the tabs in the piano home screen as per his preference. A long press in any of the tabs in the piano home screen enables the drag and drop feature. Once feature is enabled, customer can select and drag the tab in his preferred location. To retain the new arrangement of home screen, select the back button. Settings. A touch on the settings button in home screen will take to the settings screen. Settings will have following options: sound, display, connectivity, system, and notification. Sound settings. Press the sound option in the settings to enter the sound settings. Balance and fade can be adjusted using the phone navigation keys and graphical pointer. By pressing center button, pointer shall return to center position. Bass, treble, mid can be adjusted by pressing plus or minus symbol or by swiping. Equalizer shall have the option of pop, rock, jazz, and classic. Normal and through custom option, user can create their own equalizer setting. Volume of navigation, touch beep, alert, audio, phone, ringtone can be adjusted by pressing plus or minus symbol or by swiping. Speed dependent volume control (SDVC) allows automatically adjusting the volume based on vehicle speed. There are three different speed volume controls options: low, mid, and high. This function can be switched off or on by pressing the off or on button. Display settings. Press the display option in the settings to enter the display settings. User can adjust the display brightness by pressing plus or minus symbol or by swiping. User have option to choose clock or blank screen in power off mode. User have option to set the unit system for different measurement. User have option to store their name. It will be used in voice recognition and power off mode. Bluetooth settings. Press the Bluetooth option in the settings to enter the Bluetooth settings. New mobile can be paired through Add a Device option or through Discoverable mode. User have option to see maximum of 5 paired device. User shall have an option to delete paired device by pressing delete icon. BT auto connection. Phone book auto download and SMS notification have on or off option. Call history and phone book have option to delete. User shall have option to choose call ringtone from the list and on or off option for message readout. User shall have option to switch on or off the Android Auto and CarPlay. System settings. Press the system option in the settings to enter the system settings. Time format have an option to set 12-hour and 24-hour mode. Setting time through GPS shall have on or off option. Using time zone option, using up and down arrow keys of respective position, we can set time. Date format have an option to set in 3 different ways. Option 1. Day, month, year. Option 2. Month, day, year. Option 3. Year, month, day. Language for system and VR can be selected through language option. Prog switch has the option to map any on the feature to prog hard switch. Infotainment can be reset to default factory settings using reset option